Hi. This poem is the first poem that I've written for the LBI Poets Studio monthly prompts. And the prompt was, write a poem which involves or includes rain. Now, it's not my intent, I don't think consciously, but it seems like every Memorial Day I wind up writing a poem that has some kind of anti-war sentiments. Feels like rain. Casual distraction at the veranda café. Balmy afternoon jazz and the syncopated beats of drizzling droplets gaily leap from the wind-frayed edge of awning tarps and bellyflop in tinkling drains. Or is it the sun shower of my tears through a misty rumination of the dismal dumb smartphone newsfeed out of focus in foggy bifocals? Rivulets tingling my fuzzy cheeks and salty beads pinging a tin cup? Or is it blood flooding body armor, clotting on the caustic battlefield of a war without end? Or the final unpurified drip in a diminutive vein from an empty pouch lovingly hung, resupply caravans unknown dreaded days away, interned at the impermeable border? So happy Memorial Day, right? If we could put an end to war and violence, we'd all be writing poems about butterflies and honeybees, right? There you go. Feels like rain.